Greg Jones. I'm a 787 captain at United. I've asked El Pasco to actually make me something special that I could give as gifts to some of my closest friends. I'm very excited about this. Something to keep some of our souvenirs from my entire career, because all of my friends are getting ready to retire. All right, yeah. Oh, and beautiful. Love the shades of wood. This is amazing here. The United wings, these are captain wings with the wreath on it. All the corners, the edging, beautiful, my friend. I've been curious as to how we had talked about the inside. Okay, just a little something that I have always said to my friends is like,